In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account in Xero. Adding your bank account correctly is a really important first step in keeping your bookkeeping accurate and up to date. When your bank is connected to Xero, you can bring in your transactions automatically and reconcile them much more quickly, instead of entering everything manually. So in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact clicks you need to make, and I'll also share a few tips along the way so you know what to look out for. First, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and that you're on the main dashboard. From there, look toward the top of the screen for the main menu. Find the option labeled Accounting. Go ahead and click on Accounting. This is where Xero groups most of your financial tools like reports, bank accounts, and reconciliation. After you click Accounting, a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option called Bank Accounts. Click on Bank Accounts. This will open the page that lists any existing bank accounts or credit cards you've already set up in Xero. If this is your first time, this page might be mostly empty, and that's completely fine. On the Bank Accounts page, look for a button that says Add Bank Account. It's usually positioned near the top right area of the page. Click on Add Bank Account. This is the starting point for connecting a new account, whether it's a checking account, savings account, or even a credit card account that you want to track. Once you click that button, Xero will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. Follow these prompts carefully. You'll typically start by searching for your bank from a list of supported institutions. Begin typing your bank's name and then select it from the suggestions. If your bank is supported for a direct feed, Xero may offer a secure connection where you log into your online banking through their interface. Take your time, double-check the bank name, and only proceed if you recognize it. If a direct connection isn't available for your bank, Xero might ask you to set up a manual account instead. In that case, you'll enter details like the account name you want to use in Xero, the account type, and the last 4 digits of the account number. Use clear names such as business checking or savings so it's easy to identify later. Work through each step on screen, review the details before confirming, and then save. Once you're done, your new bank account will appear on the Bank Accounts page, ready for you to start